Hey guys, we're going to be fixing a USB port for a hard drive. This is a portable hard drive. Check it out. So we already took off all the screws, of course. Pull it here, put it under the microscope. This is one of the 3.0 ports. You can see right there we got a few pins bent. We're gonna go ahead and swap it out for a new one, and yeah, let's see it work. Alright guys, we're gonna hit it with some heat, and this puppy will come right off with my amazing hot air machine. Ta-da! We got a new port on. Let's put it back together. Before we put it back together, we're going to take a look at it under the microscope. Alright, so looking under the microscope, I see that not everything dropped down. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it off and reseat it and make sure everything connects. Alright guys, so we went ahead, pulled it off, cleaned it back up, resoldered it, and it looks beautiful. Check it, check it. Couldn't have done a better job myself, but I did. But for reals, guys, make sure you clean up your old solder. Make sure you clean up the old flux. Make sure it looks clean and nice and pretty. And let's put it back together. Alright, we finished putting it back together. You can tell the pins are beautiful. Look at that. There we go. It's a good shot right there. So let's go ahead and plug it up and see if it works, guys. There we go guys, everything showed up.